Inheritance tax on pensions is driving unwanted and damaging behavior. That's the headline from the Financial Times. And the behavior that it's encouraging is people to prematurely withdraw cash from their pensions in the belief that there might be, straight after the UK budget, increased tax on tax-free withdrawals. Okay, so they're panicking, they're taking the cash out. Now, the reason that could be unwanted and damaging behavior is because if it's premature, if it's not well thought out, then you're taking money out of a tax-free wrapper, and what are you going to do with it? Okay, because if it's not growing, which presumably in the tax-free wrapper, let's make the assumption it was through investments, now you've got two options. Either you're giving it away, which is fine if you always intended to give it away, subject to you having enough capital anyway for your future and your requirements. And in terms of how much you need at retirement, have a look at the free tools on campaignforamillion.com/tools. Okay. Equally, if you're then not going to give it away and invest it yourself anyway, then you're now investing it in a non-tax-free vehicle. So instead of thinking prematurely about this, or not thinking at all, and sort of prematurely taking the money out, I should say, then you might want to just plan ahead a bit. And the reason that's been difficult up till now is, well, who do I go to? Where do I go? Who do I speak to? And how much is it going to cost me? So to remove some of those initial problems and give you a bit of confidence in what you should be looking at and how to do it, we did it completely free. We did it online because we realized some people don't want to have phone calls because they don't know what to ask. They don't have the paperwork handy. Okay? They just want to play around with something for free. They don't want to give their email addresses and have somebody bug them and call them. They don't want to give phone numbers, nothing. So we created a set of free, completely free tools. And I don't mean by free for a week and then you got to pay. No, free forever as a public service, because we can. We've got software engineers and clever bits of AI that can do this for us. And we said, well, why don't you guys do this and do a bit of public service? So all those free tools on how much you should have in your pension, what if it grows at this rate, how much should you have by this age, what if it grows more, what if it grows less, what if you withdraw it early, and how much might you then be left with going forward, depending on how old you are and how many years you've got to live, what if your income decreases, etc., based on your personal circumstances. So really sophisticated tools, but easy for anybody to use. And they're at campaignforamillion.com/tools. And the idea is to make you better informed. So it's not just the elite who want to charge you tons of fees, who have this information and you feel lost, and then you make wrong decisions. My first and primary goal is to get you to be better informed. And the best way to show that authentically and honestly is to have free tools. And like I said, free nowadays tends to mean for the price of your email address and your phone number, not even that. All right. Why do I do it? Well, guess what? Gets the message out to more and more people. You can even have a free download of that book as well. alpeshpatel.com/links. Really proud of the tools as well. I love this stuff. Thank you.